Hi. In this video we will be talking about the importance of saving for retirement and how to do it. Watch this video to the end to delve into the importance of saving for retirement and explore various strategies and tools available for effective financial planning. Welcome back to the International CEO. Retirement planning is an essential aspect of financial management that often gets overlooked until later in life. However, the significance of saving for retirement cannot be overstated. It ensures financial security and peace of mind during the golden years when individuals are no longer actively earning an income. We'll delve into the importance of saving for retirement and explore various strategies and tools available for effective financial planning. Importance of saving for retirement. Financial security. One of the primary reasons for saving for retirement is to attain financial security. As individuals transition from a phase of active income earning to retirement, having savings becomes crucial for covering daily expenses, healthcare costs, and maintaining the desired lifestyle. Longevity risk. With advancements in healthcare and increased life expectancy, retirement can span several decades. Saving for retirement helps mitigate the risk of outliving one's savings, ensuring a comfortable lifestyle even in old age. Independence. Retirement savings provide individuals with financial independence and autonomy. Rather than relying solely on Social Security benefits or assistance from family members, having savings empowers retirees to make decisions aligned with their preferences and needs. Inflation protection. Over time, inflation erodes the purchasing power of money. By saving and investing for retirement, individuals can counteract the effects of inflation and maintain the value of their wealth over the long term. Legacy planning. Saving for retirement allows individuals to leave a financial legacy for their loved ones. Whether it's through inheritance or charitable contributions, accumulated savings can positively impact future generations and societal causes. How to save for retirement. Financial planning strategies. Start early. The power of compounding makes starting early the most effective strategy for retirement saving. By leveraging the long-time horizon, even small contributions can grow substantially over time. Delaying retirement savings can significantly diminish the final corpus due to missed opportunities for compounding. Set clear goals. Establishing specific retirement goals helps individuals determine how much they need to save and the time frame for achieving those goals. Whether it's retiring at a certain age or maintaining a particular standard of living, clear objectives provide direction for financial planning. Create a budget. A budget is a fundamental tool for managing finances and allocating resources towards retirement savings. By tracking income and expenses, individuals can identify areas where they can reduce spending and redirect those funds towards retirement accounts. It's advisable to contribute enough to qualify for the maximum employer match, as it represents free money and boosts the overall savings. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged retirement accounts like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and health savings accounts, HSAs, offer various tax benefits, such as tax-deferred growth or tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Leveraging these accounts can optimize retirement savings and minimize tax liabilities. Diversify investments. Diversification is key to mitigating investment risk and maximizing returns. Allocating retirement savings across a mix of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, helps spread risk and capitalize on different market opportunities. Continuously monitor and adjust. Financial planning is not a one-time activity but a dynamic process that requires regular review and adjustments. Life circumstances, market conditions, and personal goals may change over time, necessitating modifications to the retirement savings strategy. Seek professional advice. For complex financial matters or individuals lacking expertise in investment management, consulting a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and personalized guidance. A qualified advisor can help optimize retirement savings strategies based on individual risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. Expanding on the importance of saving for retirement. Healthcare costs. As individuals age, healthcare expenses tend to increase. Without adequate savings, retirees may face financial strain or have to compromise on their healthcare needs, potentially impacting their quality of life. Economic uncertainty. Economic downturns or unexpected life events can derail retirement plans. Having savings provides a buffer against such uncertainties, allowing individuals to weather financial storms without compromising their retirement goals. Emergency funds are particularly important during times of crisis, ensuring continuity in retirement savings despite temporary setbacks. Social Security limitations. While Social Security benefits provide a foundation for retirement income, they may not be sufficient to maintain the desired standard of living. Moreover, the future of Social Security remains uncertain due to factors such as demographic shifts and fiscal challenges. Relying solely on Social Security without supplemental savings may result in financial inadequacy during retirement. Lifestyle choices. Retirement is an opportunity to pursue interests, hobbies, and travel. However, such endeavors often come with expenses. By saving for retirement, individuals can afford to enjoy their desired lifestyle without financial constraints. Whether it's traveling the world, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with family, adequate savings provide the freedom to make choices aligned with personal preferences. Psychological well-being. Financial stress can take a toll on mental health, particularly during retirement when individuals are no longer actively earning income. Savings provide a sense of security and peace of mind, alleviating anxiety about financial stability in old age. Knowing that there are funds available for emergencies or unexpected expenses enhances overall psychological well-being and enables retirees to enjoy their retirement years with confidence. Economic independence. Saving for retirement fosters economic independence, allowing individuals to maintain control over their financial affairs. Rather than relying on others for financial support, retirees with savings can preserve their autonomy and dignity. Economic independence also reduces the likelihood of becoming a financial burden on family members or society, promoting self-sufficiency and resilience. Expanding on how to save for retirement, financial planning strategies. Automatic contributions. Setting up automatic contributions to retirement accounts ensures consistency in savings and eliminates the temptation to spend discretionary income. Many employers offer automatic payroll deductions for retirement plans, simplifying the saving process and promoting disciplined saving behavior. Lifestyle adjustments. Making conscious lifestyle choices can free up additional funds for retirement savings. Whether it's reducing unnecessary expenses, downsizing housing, or cutting back on luxuries, small adjustments can have a significant impact on long-term savings. Tracking expenses and identifying areas where savings can be made is essential for optimizing financial resources. Long-term investment perspective. Retirement saving is a long-term endeavor, and adopting a patient investment approach is crucial. Rather than reacting to short-term market fluctuations, focus on long-term investment fundamentals and stay committed to the chosen investment strategy. Over time, disciplined investing can yield substantial returns and contribute to a robust retirement portfolio. Retirement income planning. Retirement income planning involves estimating future expenses, assessing potential sources of income, and developing a withdrawal strategy. Consider factors such as Social Security benefits, pension income, investment returns, and tax implications when planning for retirement income. Having a well-thought-out income plan ensures a steady stream of income throughout retirement. Regular reviews and adjustments. Periodically review retirement savings goals, investment performance, and overall financial situation. Life circumstances may change, requiring adjustments to retirement savings strategies. Stay informed about changes in tax laws, investment opportunities, and retirement planning best practices to optimize savings and adapt to evolving financial landscapes. Education and awareness. Financial literacy is essential for effective retirement planning. Educate yourself about various retirement savings options, investment vehicles, and tax implications. Stay informed about retirement planning trends, strategies, and best practices through reputable sources, seminars, or professional advice. Empowering yourself with knowledge enables informed decision-making and enhances the effectiveness of retirement saving efforts. Saving for retirement is a lifelong journey that requires foresight, discipline, and strategic planning. The importance of retirement savings cannot be overstated, as it ensures financial security, independence, and peace of mind during one's golden years. By recognizing the significance of retirement planning, adopting prudent financial strategies, and leveraging available resources, individuals can build a robust retirement nest egg that supports their desired lifestyle and long-term financial goals. Starting early, making lifestyle adjustments, and staying informed about retirement planning best practices are essential steps towards achieving a secure and fulfilling retirement. Ultimately, effective retirement planning empowers individuals to enjoy their retirement years with confidence, dignity, and financial well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.